So I reckon the car gods have decided to show mercy on me after my continuous bad luck. I made it to the tire shop as my tire was basically blowing. So I'll show you. Cracking all the way down here. These people are awesome. Awesome. I always come here every time on short notice and they always get me right in. Awesome. Now it's time to go change the fuel pump. Okay, so now going to change out the fuel pump. I'm only gonna show briefly. I don't want it to be a long video, but I already got everything set out, laid out, ready to go, disconnected the battery, and we'll go from there. Do a little time lapse, maybe a little music added in, so let's do it. I forgot this was under here. This was way back in the, I don't know if you can hear me. Okay. I forgot this was under here. It's way back in the gap, but it is a neon, or it's a underglow actual bulb, everything. It was red. Yeah, I don't think it still works though. I don't think so.
Wonder.
That is really cold.
Alright, I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna try and get some of that dirt off.
Oh, it's warm.
Warm.
Yeah, now it's cold.
Here, fill up this bag once I get this out. Looks like I can wait till after I get it seated in there.
Just so y'all know, a 23-gallon tank, the size of it, this is it. Compared to a child. And a smaller adult.
Something ain't quite right.
Don't tell me that.
Rowan, grab that other filter and bring it over here.
Please don't. Please don't say it so.
I mean, they look identical.
Yeah.
Okay, so why am I having an issue getting it to go down?
Huh. Is the
Look at this.
plastic ring? No?
No, it's not anymore.
Okay, there's the gasket over there.
Yeah, that's the old one.
Huh.
Let's put a little gas right here.
Is the tank, is the bottom?
All right, so we got it cleaned up. New fuel pump in. Thank you, Brian. We're gonna put it in, and I don't know if we're gonna show it, but we'll do it. Are you kidding me? You piece of shit. Wow. I swear. Oh gosh. Okay, so I replaced fuel pump. Me and my cousin Brian replaced it yesterday. Everything went great. Got in it this morning, crunk it up. First try, cold start. Bam. Awesome. Get to the store, get my breakfast before I headed to work. I decided to actually not go into work until 6, which is our regular start time. I decided not to work overtime. So I get to the store, shut it off, go inside, get my breakfast, do all this and I do all that, and the Jeep won't crank. I sat there for 30 minutes trying to figure out every possible thing that could be wrong. I finally gave up. And it's about that time when I gave up, I decided, you know what, let me look down and see if I'm actually in drive or park. If I'm actually in park, and I'm in park. But for some reason, I just had a feeling, let me move it around and shove it forward to make sure it's fully engaged. So I did that, and the son just crunked right up. I am so over this. I want a car, a new vehicle, a dependable vehicle I don't have to work on every day. I deserve that. I'm probably not even gonna post this or add this anywhere just because it's me complaining about stuff. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Let me just start off by saying how stupid I feel. Alright, let me explain. So I pull up to the store, shut the Jeep off, go in, get my breakfast, come back out, hop in the Jeep, go to crank it up, won't crank. Try and troubleshoot, look at everything, spark plug wires. One time they grounded out a while back. Check that. Check the battery, disconnected the battery. I've been having trouble with the battery because one of my my positive side was actually loose in the thing. I went ahead and crimped that up tighter, and still nothing. Did the same thing as you saw in the earlier video, and I basically gave up all hope, and I honestly did not know what to do. So what I did, I got in here and I was just sitting around trying to figure out, you know, what could it possibly be. And it's like, let me make sure I'm in drive or park. Let me make sure I'm in park. So I look down, I'm in park, and I just reach down and just barely touch it. Cranks right up. $6:21. I ain't going to work today. No. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I did. I just that. It was just, that was it. And just fired right up. I might go see about if I can get a car today. I gotta do something, because I don't know. This is becoming way too long of a conversation. I'm gonna run in here. Since I'm not going to work, I'm gonna run in here, grab a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit for my wife, and I'm gonna surprise her when she wakes up with a sausage biscuit and be like, surprise, I love you. And I'm just gonna have to come in and work the weekend. So I'm gonna seize the day while I can. Thank y'all. Sorry for language in advance. Dayton, don't watch this one. Thank you everyone for watching. I did not forget, here is the, I guess you can call, sneak peek of, well, what I have now, but it's, well, you'll see. All right, here it is. I know it's not much of a sneak peek preview, whatever, but I can't tell y'all yet. I cannot tell y'all yet. Obviously, you can tell by all the clothes I'm wearing that it is cold. Yes, it is cold. Again, the videos are way behind. Just bear with me. I'm gonna put them out there, and I'll see y'all next time.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!